good evening, one and all present here. At SGEC, we started our first MBA program in 2007. I am here to give a glimpse of the management programs that we run at St. Joseph Engineering College. In fact, the first program that was started in 2007 generally focused on job seekers, and we started admitting students who would like to become industry leaders. But then our aim was not to focus only on job seekers, and we were thinking very widely on this, and we wanted to introduce a course which would directly focus on job creators. Therefore, when the college became autonomous in 2021, we applied to AICT, and it was a tough task for us to get this program. And finally, with the efforts of the visionaries of St. Joseph Engineering College, we have started a niche program which caters to innovation, entrepreneurship and venture development. And the permission was granted to us to start this niche program with a sanctioned intake of 30. The course titled is MBA Innovation, Entrepreneurship and Venture Development. Now, why did we focus on MBA Innovation, Entrepreneurship and Venture Development? In fact, this course is in line with the Startup India initiative of Government of India, and the course offers practical experiences for real world problem solving. Then it empowers students to transition into entrepreneurs and job creators, as I said. Then of course, side by side, it implements mentorship initiatives for venture development, creates incubation and startup culture on campuses, and exposes students to global entrepreneurship trends and diverse. As I already told you, this is a recognized program, AICT, MHRD, UGC and Ministry of Education. It is a 2 years full-time program. The advantage of this program is side by side, you can start your startup and you will get a full business administration degree which is recognized by AICT as well as UGC. What are the key takeaways of the new venture development? And it teaches you how to take an idea, build prototype, launch to carry to early customers in the market, then knowledge of venture growth strategies, knowledge of business models and fundraising, and of course, information on startup related policies of the Indian government, knowledge of international startup ecosystem and knowledge of team and talent management. Now, what are the benefits of this program? As I already told you, knowledge of business models and fundraising, ability to develop and evaluate business plans, knowledge of international startup ecosystem, scaling up or developing existing ventures, knowledge of hiring and talent management, knowledge of venture growth strategies, capability to take an idea, build a prototype and launch it in the market. The course is a 4-semester course with an innovative curriculum. If you see the course titles, they are not the titles of the traditional MBA program. In the first semester, we have got courses on innovation and management. Of course, the specific titles are ideation and design thinking for entrepreneurs, techno-entrepreneurship. Then we have got innovation, development and management. And in the first semester itself, we have got 2 capstone projects. Then coming to the second semester, we have got a course on entrepreneurial leadership and is on venture development, and we have got two capstone projects, one capstone project and one acceleration program. Then in the third semester, we have got courses on venture financing and startup policies, particularly to raise funds for the startup ideas. Then side by side, we offer skill development courses from Coursera, and in the 4th semester, all the students are let free to start their venture. It is called as Real Venture Establishment. Next slide, please. This is the entire outline of the capstone projects. In fact, capstone projects cover 55% of the entire syllabus. We have got capstone project 1 starting from proof of concept. Second is on business model fit. Third capstone project on again continuing on business model fit. Then 2 action learning programs, enterprise residency learning program, and finally action learning 2 is real venture establishment. There are four ways of learning. Of course, classroom teaching is 40% of the total course. Then you have got 3 capstone projects and 2 action learning segments. Then we have got 3 skill certification programs in the entire program. There are 4 tracks in fact. The foundation of ideation, innovation and entrepreneurship track. Second is startup experiential track. The third one is entrepreneurship intensity track, and the last one is venture establishment track. These are our industry mentors. We have got C.A. Salome Lobo, Mithun Bhatt Kakunji, he was here at 7 o'clock, I met him. Then Arjun John D'Souza, who is a managing director of Alter Marketing Solution, who is focusing purely his business on digital marketing. Then Sachin Nayak, we have got Rupa Bhatt, Gaurav Kamath from Micro Degree, and Prashant Shanai, who is the director of Mangalore Infotech Solutions. In fact, these mentors, industry mentors, they interact with our MBA students to train them to take their business forward. This is our strategy. We have got a team of experienced faculty and industry mentors. We start fostering innovative and entrepreneurial skills, develop business ideas, develop a viable business model, utilize collaborations and expertise from various people to launch the enterprises, and our goal is to see that our student becomes a successful entrepreneur. This is everything from my side. The intention of presenting this is that there are very many people who can become professors of practice, and you can also join us as industry mentors to take this program forward. Thank you for the support.
To stay informed about the startup ecosystem, subscribe to My Startup TV.